Hi, we have a new radio here, Tecsun PL-330. It's not new actually. I've been using this from quite few months. I wanted to do unboxing of this, so let's do it today. This is the box it came in. Tecsun for the listener, PL-330 PLL World Band Receiver. On the top of the radio we have a barcode and Tecsun brand PL-330. These are the specifications of this radio. PL-330 wall band receiver, FM medium, longwave, shortwave, and all the informations about the radio DSP digital demodulation technology, which greatly enhances reception sensitivity, selectivity, signal to noise ratio, and anti-interference performance. That's good. Synchronous detection technology to suppress adjacent channel interference. Cool. Stores up to 850 radio stations. Manual and automated feature to tune and store radio stations. Enhanced tuning mode ETM plus. This is the next version of 310 ET, I guess. Create time-specific memories for more convenient listening to long wave, medium wave, and short wave. FM stereo listening through headphones, which is quite good. Display backlight, signal strength and signal to noise ratio display, which displays on the screen of this radio. Sleep timer feature, alarm feature, shortwave, FM external antenna jack, and it is powered by BL5C lithium ion rechargeable battery, and it has a 5 volts USB charging input, and the size of the radio is 139, that is width, 85 is height, and 26 is the depth of in millimeters. This radio is bit tiny or small in size, but it performs very well. So let's see what we get inside the box. I've already done the unboxing. So in the box we get this USB micro USB charger, charging wire, which you can plug into your phone and you can charge phone charger and charge this. This is the basic earphone stereo 3.5 mm. This is the user manual of Tecsun PL-330. I am not gonna read all these things in this video here. It is self-explanatory, and this will be the intro and medium wave scan of this radio, and there will be many more videos about this radio that I will be uploading in future, wherein I will update you about some hidden features of this radio. So let's bring in the radio and see how it looks. As I said, this is very tiny. I expected this to be a little bit bigger than this, but being such a small radio, this outperforms few of the big radios that I have. So on the front we have this logo Tecsun PL-330, alarm, time, and the frequency input buttons. This is the power button, and below power button we have frequency step button and then ETM button, and on the right side we have this tuning dial, and below tuning dial we have volume control, which also works as AM bandwidth controller. And on the left side of the radio we have antenna jack, earphone jack, and DC 5 volt input. On the top we have this whip antenna, which helps in shortwave and FM reception. This is the date of manufacturing and frequency details. It works on BL5C battery, the old Nokia type battery. This is a good battery, and while I have used it for many hours, it gives a very good backup. So let's bring in this radio. On the top, we beside the power button we can find time, alarm and display button, and these are the frequency input buttons. Let's see if we can turn on the backlight. Let me arrange adjust the tripod so that we can have a look closely on this radio. I think the LED is shining on the wrong place. Let me arrange the LED light so that there's a better view of this radio. Yeah, this looks better. Before making this video, I was doing some single sideband tuning, and I found few ham radio. Yeah, this was it, correct, I remember. So I found few ham radio broadcasters, and I have heard a few of the hams here in Bangalore. But then today we will do a medium wave scan. As you know, I start with the medium wave of every radio on the first video, and the medium wave performance of this radio is very good. I found, being so tiny, this radio performs very well. So let's do the medium wave scan, and then we can discuss about how it performed. $558. This is Mumbai, Maharashtra, 100 kilowatts, 840 kilometers, and this is coming quite good. Really nice. This is 576 Kerala LAP, 410 kilometers, 200 kilowatts transmitter. I usually receive this station very well, and even here on 330 it is coming very good. This is 585 Nagpur, Maharashtra. I think this is from Kolkata, West Bengal. Oh, wow, this is doing very well. Yeah, this is West Bengal. And this is the local radio station near Bangalore. $630 is Kerala, Tecsun, around 310 kilometers, 100 kilowatts. I usually get this station very well. But on this radio the quality of reception is very good. This is Madhya Pradesh, Indore, 200 kilowatts, 1100 kilometers. Quite noisy, but then we have the reception. This is Karnataka, Bhadravati. It was coming well at 8:30, but now we have noise dominating the reception. 684 is again Kerala, but not very well. 720 I usually get this. This is Chennai, Tamil Nadu, 296, around 300 kilometers. 738 is Hyderabad, Telangana. 510 kilometers from here. I usually get this radio station very clearly. This is Dharwad, Karnataka. Again, quite very good reception. This is Pune, Maharashtra. I sometimes get it, sometimes it again vanishes with the noise, but today it's quite clear. This is 810 Gujarat, Rajkot. I usually get this station, but then it also depends on the climate, how clear the skies are or how cloudy or stormy the weather is. This is a 300 kilowatt station, by the way. 837 is Andhra Pradesh, Vijayawada. This is also quite audible if you listen here in Bangalore.
उत्तम जीवन भरपूर प्रमाणात मिळावं.
882 is usually this comes from Hyderabad. This is a very strong station. I think they are broadcasting at 200 or 300 kilowatts. 900 is Andhra Pradesh, Anantapur, 200 kilometers away.
The wolf has taken over the role of the cheetah in the drug.
936 is Tamil Nadu, Tiruchirappalli, 300 kilometers away. This is Odisha, Cuttack, 1200 kilometers and 300 kilowatts. $999 is Tamil Nadu, Coimbatore, and this is around 220 kilometers away. I usually get this station very well. This was surprising to me. This is All India Radio, I think Udupi, Mangalore, correct. This is AR Gulbarga. Today we are not getting this quite well, but then we can hear to this station, quite audible and understandable. It's not like noise dominates it. It is quite audible, and I listen to this a lot because this is from my hometown. This is Ratnagiri, Maharashtra. This is Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram. Double 197 is Tamil Nadu, Tirunelveli, 500 kilometers. 1206 is Odisha, Bhavani Patna. Haven't heard this before. 1215 is Puducherry, but the transmitter power is 20 kilowatts, so We hardly get this station here in Bangalore, but this radio is picking it up quite well. 1269 is Tamil Nadu, Madurai, 20 kilowatts, 350 kilometers away. 1287 is Goa, Panji. This comes well at from 6:30 till 9:30 and then fades away. I don't think we'll get anything post this frequency because I haven't found in the past. Not sure what 1422 is. Odisha, Jaipur. So that was a quick medium wave scan on Tecsun PL-330. This is one of my favorite radios. It does very good on AM. It does brilliant on FM and shortwave as well. Maybe in the future video we will do a shortwave scan on this and the FM scan as well. And we'll also do a SSB, a single sideband scan. If you're a AM shortwave listener who wants to go distance, then this is the must have radio for you. So if you want to buy this radio, I'll put a link in the description. It costs around 7,400 with taxes on a online store here in Bangalore. If you want to purchase this, you can definitely do it. Please let me know how this video was. And thank you for watching the video till the end. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe. Thank you all for your time, and you guys have a good day.